back to Kuanden. Today we're gonna read this book. Another book is about pigs make me sneeze. Okay. Put here. Elephants, zeros, pigs make me sneeze. 0-year-old, what do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop sneezing. Chew! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew! What if you try to sneeze more softer? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Jill, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Hey, Piggy is also my best friend. Tug. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Pigs. I love this story because it has elephant just in the front cover, sneezing with a lot of tissues. Bye. Hope you watch my next video. Bye. Bye, guys.